What is up, guys? Yes! All right, today we're going to learn how to sell digital products using Aspire Builder. Let's go. What is up, guys? All right, welcome back. All right, if you guys don't know who I am, my name is Jeff Caldwell. I'm one of the support tech agents guys over here at Aspire Builder. And today I'm just going to be walking through, hopefully you guys can see my screen. There you guys go. I'm just going to walk you guys through the entire process, start to finish, on how to create digital products using Aspire Builder. Are you guys excited? If you guys are here live, I'm going to be streaming to Facebook and I'm going to be streaming to YouTube. And so you guys can absolutely comment right here. I'll be able to answer questions. I will do my best to go through the material that we're going to be learning so you can actually see how to actually set this up. And then any of the questions I'll hold to the end and then we'll actually go through. But I will check because there might be some technical stuff. Here is Aspire Builder. This is the behind the scenes, right? And so if you haven't created your Aspire Builder account, you can get a 2-week free trial by going to aspirebuilder.com right now. And then we also have a course. We have a course that actually helps you start to finish. You get to learn from me on how to go this. It's only $7. And so that's also on the page too. And so here's what we're going to do. We are going to go to our websites at the top. You see right here, I clicked websites. Let me make sure you guys could see my screen. Give me a thumbs up if you guys could see my screen. All right, here we go. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to be clicking on website right up top, and I'm going to create a brand new website. All right, so I'm going to create a brand new one. And here's what Aspire Builder prompts us to do. It gives us a whole bunch of beautiful templates to start picking out from. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick a template, and we are just going to just kind of get down and just kind of keep it simple, right? Because as you're building your website, you'll be switching out your information. So I'm just going to show you how to actually do just this part. All right, so we're going to find a little template that I like. Let's see. Clean and simple. Let's check this one out. All right. So this is the template. It is blue and yellow. I'm in blue and yellow. All right, so what are we going to be selling today? All right, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to sell just a digital product, okay? So this could be a PDF. This could be like a video game model, like a 3D item, this could be a course, all right? And so it could be anything, but I'm going to show you guys how to set this up. So let's see. I'm going to say health, right? So if anyone is in the health industry, shout out, right? And so we're going to say health. PDF, we're going to say health, healthco are us. All right, so this is our website, healthco are us, and right, we are in the health business now. All right, so here we go. So if you are in the health business, shout out. And here's what we're going to do. This is my template. This is where I'm starting. This is just the starting point. If you have never used Aspire Builder before, it might feel overwhelming. But here, you see right here, this little pop-up button says, "Hi, how can we help you?" If you ever click this, you can actually message right here, continue as Jeff or continue as guest. And here's what's really cool. We have Aspire Builder support chat that will reach out and reply, usually within about 12 hours, usually a lot less, but it says typically replies instantly, but it's a lot of pressure, you know what I mean? So we do our absolute best to get back as soon as possible. However, 12 hours is a good time frame. Usually it's a lot faster than that. Sometimes we got to sleep. All right, so here we go. So we want to create a digital product, right? So what is a digital product? A digital product is something that you're going to actually sell in your store, something that you can offer. So what we're going to do is, you see right here is a store up at the top, and we're going to be able to go over here. And now if we click on add product, we can click add products here, and we can click digital product. And now here is what is really cool. If we want to use this digital product, this is really good if we want to like store a PDF, or if we want to give instant download access, right, to something. But I want to show you a little bit better way than just setting it up with this digital product, right? I fully recommend setting it up as a membership. And the reason why I recommend setting up in the membership is, as you grow your business, as you grow your website, as you grow online, you're going to want to know who purchased this product. You're going to want to send them out custom emails. You're going to want to say, there's just things that I know, being a few steps ahead of where you're at, what you're going to want to do, at least is structural wise inside this your website. So here's what I'm going to say is, you're going to first go over to contacts, right? And inside of Aspire Builder, there's these training videos. You could watch this. But inside we have our members, right? So now we're actually going to set up a member area just for them, right? Now we want them to be able to log in on our website. We want them to be able to actually have access to that, right? So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to, right here, we have all members and we have basic members. So I'm going to click add group, and I'm going to say, this is going to be for my health company, right? So I'm going to say, this is going to be, I'm going to be saying my top tips, okay? My top tips download, okay? And this is going to be a group that I'm going to start storing this. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to click that top tips, and you see right here where it says show group settings, right? So this little thing right here, it says show group settings, and it says page to redirect to after login. So this part, this little right here is, imagine once your customer or your client logs in and purchases your digital product, what do you want them to receive? Do you want them to receive a page? Do you want them to receive a link, right? So you can click on this. If you have a file, you could actually upload your file to right here, right? So let's just say I have a PDF, right? This is a picture of an elephant, right? So I can make it, if this was an image that I was going to give, or a PDF, they can get access to this. And I just click here, and they get this link, right? So they get access to this link, right? So this is where they get access, but I could also click it, and I could actually click page, right? So here's the thing is, I can build a page that they're going to get access to. So later on, if we decide to upgrade this product to a membership course, we decide to upgrade this product, anything, we don't have to recreate it. We could just switch where they get access to, and now we could build a beautiful area for them. And so I'm just going to say file. We're going to connect our PDF, right, which is going to be my picture of a little elephant. All right. So and now we created our little members area, right? So I'm going to click on the member settings, and I'm going to review this, right? So I'm going to allow registrations. I definitely want to allow registrations. I want it to member approval. I don't really want to approve them. Send email notifications on new registration. I do want that, right? Because I want emails every time I get a new member, like woohoo, right? So I'm gonna put my email here, right? So actually, you could message me, jeff@aspirebuilder.com. Okay. And default group, right? We're just going to put it the basic for now, right? So at least we know our settings are set up. Okay, so now we're going to jump back into the store. All right, and if we go over to the store and we click on add product, now we could actually add a membership. And inside of our membership, we're actually going to call it, right, our product, right? So I'm just going to open up a new tab, top tips download, right? So we're going to say, top 12 health tips, okay? And this is the image that they're going to get, right? And we could write a description, right? So these are my top 12 health tips to stay in shape. Then PS, round is a shape. Round is a shape. All right. Okay, PS, round is a shape. All right, so here we go. All right, so member groups, we're going to select the member group. And here's what's really cool. If you want to ever in the future give access to multiple products, we can click multiple. However, we're just going to click one, right? So say you want to bundle products together, this gives you the option, right? So now because we chose the member group, we could give them access to multiple products if we had multiple here. And the way we show these is when we are in the contacts, this is the group that we created. Right, so I'm going to hit confirm. I'm going to set a price. Here's the thing. If you want to make this free for whatever reason in the future, you can. If you make it free, well, here's what's cool. If you make this free, well, then essentially they could get it for free and they still get access to whatever this is. But let's just make it $10. Okay. So we can make that a subscription, right? So if we wanted to make this a subscription product, if it was a membership area or a private Facebook group, or let's just say you have you sell products, but you want to give unlimited access to the products, you can offer a membership area, right? And so you can charge them monthly, you can charge them every week, you can charge them, however it is, right? So you can pick your payments. We're not gonna make this a membership product. We can ask for additional information. So if you want to say, like what's your Facebook group, or like a password or something like that, you could do that. And then you could show a custom thank you. We're just gonna add a category, so we're just gonna say digital downloads. Okay. There you go. Our category confirmed, and perfect. I don't see anything else that I want to update. All right, so I'm going to hit save. So here's the thing. It just created us this product, right? So here's what this happens now is now this is going to be in our store. And anytime somebody wants to buy this, they're going to buy it, and then they're going to get access, or they're going to get added to the member area right here. And then anytime they get added here, then they get access to this link, right? So now I'm going to show you how to set it up. So up here in the top part of your website, right? So now I click back on Builder, and up here at the top part of your website, you're going to see it says add header widget, right? So it's just this little like plus sign, right? So I'm going to click it, and you see where it says login and profile? I'm going to click that, and now I'm going to click on icon and text. Now I have a little membership login area, right? I'm going to make this white. Right, now I have this little membership login right here, right? So now anytime somebody goes to my website, right, they could custom login, right? So here we go, right? So now we have a little custom login here. All right, so here is what I'm going to do is I'm going to give myself a discount code. What up, Jeff? Hooking myself up. All right, for 100%, right? So I'm going to put test, and I'm going to put test, and I'm going to put 100%. Okay, and we're going to put member group. You can put a member group. We're just going to put products, right? So on this one, apply automatically. No, put a code, right? We don't want it to apply automatically, right? So I'm going to hit save. And now, if you notice on our website, right, we don't have a shop button. So I'm going to add a shop, right? So I'm going to hit store, and right here. So now we have products up there. I'm just going to call it store. Right, so now that adds it up to there. Hit save, and I'm going to view the website. Right, so here we go. All right, so we have our top 12 health tips. Yay! All right, so I'm going to click this. You can see this could be any digital download. I don't know if this was a really good example to use a little elephant. And now PS round is a shape. You can add to cart, and I can check out. And you can see I can enter a promo code. So we're going to hit test. Apply code, proceed to checkout. All right, and so here's the thing. This has an address, right? So I don't really want to have an address for this, right? So because it's a digital product, you can. However, I don't really want to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to store, and I'm going to go to styling, layout and styling. Let's see if it's this one. Actually, it might be settings. Checkout. Nope. There we go. All right, so if we wanted to add our payments, we could definitely add our payments. You could add Stripe, PayPal, any one of those, so we at least have a payment processor. However, that is not what I want. I want here. So right here in the checkout page, what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit this. And there's certain pages that are global, right? So your checkout page, your cart page, those are like your global ones. You can customize it fully. However, right now we're just going to use the store one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit settings. And on here, it says, do not ask for address when selling digital goods, services, or memberships, right? So if you don't need that, we'll just go and click that, right? So now it removes the need to have my address there, right? And so now I could refresh. And we are here. So we have our discount code. We can go ahead and enter in our information. And I will set a password to this new website because we're going to have a login, right? And let's do this. So Jeff at, okay. And boom. All right, so because it's free, no payment is required, I'm going to complete order. And thank you. Thank you for your order. Now, here's what's cool, right? If I go over here into the back end, we will see that we have me. And if we click on members, we can see that I'm over here, right? So now if I go back to the website, right? And let's see. Let's go back. Let's go back to my website. Now I just got an email with that login, right? So, but if I go back to my website where it says profile, well, check out this. In my memberships, I now have my top 10, my top tips download, right? So I could view my orders. I can see that I ordered. I could view my details, but I could also see, right? I could see my memberships, which is my top tip downloads. And so now it's already displayed here, which is really nice, which is really the end goal. And so our customer has a beautiful dashboard that they could just log in, they can click, and yay, we get the elephant. All right, so success. All right, so let's see. So I'm going to open it up for questions. I know that was fast. What I will do. What is up, guys? Am I back? Am I still on live? Yes. All right, so I really hope I'm still on live. I don't know fully, but it says live in the corner. But I do want to open it up to questions. If you guys have any questions on how to set this up, let me know. Drop the comments in there and I'll be able to help you guys, or I'll be writing a blog to be able to go through this entire thing to show you guys how it is done. Do you guys have any questions? Let me know. Talk